Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 41. Mr. X and Mrs. Y pay $500 and $1,400 as taxes on their earnings of $5,000 and $7,000 respectively. The system of taxation employed is A. Specific tax, B. Proportional tax, C. Regressive tax, D. Progressive tax. So the important thing to note from the information given to us is that these are their incomes, their earnings. So Mrs. Y earns more than Mr. X. Mrs. Y earns $7,000 and Mr. X earns $5,000. Now observe that the tax that Mr. X pays is lower than the tax that Mrs. Y pays. Okay, so let's take a look at each of the options and see which one falls into this system. Now option A, specific tax, is not a system of taxation. Now option B is proportional tax. Now it is a form of tax or a system of taxation in which the rate of tax is the same irrespective of the level of income. Now option C, which is regressive tax, refers to a system in which the rate of tax decreases rather for regressive decreases as income increases. So as the person's income increases, the tax they pay, the rate of tax which they pay, decreases. And option D, progressive tax, is a system in which the rate of tax increases as income increases. So in progressive tax, the higher the income, the higher the rate of tax. And as you can see from the question we are given, that is the case because the person with the higher income pays a higher tax than the person with the lower income paying the lower tax. So this system of taxation employed is option D, progressive tax. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.